Good morning, everybody. So I've just got off a 14-hour flight from Sydney to LA. I'm exhausted. My flight was at like 11 a.m. So yeah, I've kind of been on the go for 24 hours now and I have had no sleep, so I'm exhausted. I have massive eye bags, all my makeup's kind of melted off my face and I desperately need a shower because I just feel a bit gross. But I've just checked into the Hotel Bel-Air and I have to show you around before I make a mess of it. I've already made a bit of a mess of it, so yeah, excuse the kind of like bags and things everywhere, but before I even make even more of a mess, I had to show you because this place is insane. So they've kindly upgraded me to a Canyon Ranch view suite, which comes with its own private jacuzzi. And oh my god, hang on, I have to turn this around to show you. My voice is also very croaky just because I'm dehydrated again. But okay, so this is the front door. So you come into this little living room, and then you've got like plenty of tea and coffee making facilities here. You've got cute little postcards and like a writing kit. And if you've been here a while, you know how much I love a writing kit. You've also got an iPad, a phone, all that kind of jazz. And then, so you've got desk there. And then over here, they've left me this cute little fruit platter. And they even left me a box of cupcakes with my face on. And as you can see, I've already had one of them. But literally they have put photos of me on top of the cupcakes. And then over here, they left me a little present for like my little dog Frank. So they've given him, even though he's not staying here because he's in the UK, they've given him this cute little bandana with his name on it. And they've put a photo of him in this photo frame for me. Oh my god, I cannot get over how cute this is. It's just like the cutest thing a hotel has ever done. Anyway, so then we come through to the bedroom, which is a really good size. The bed is huge. It's just, I'm obsessed with the whole decor here. It's just beautiful. I love this ceiling as well. Just really nice and spacious. And then you come through here into there's kind of a little closet. And extra pillows and bedding, and then through here is the bathroom. So you've got beautiful big mirror, and then a nice big bath there. You've got the branded robes, you've got a TV in the bath, you've got some nice little soaps there in the corner, and then they also, I love that they have Atelier cologne bath products. They've got them in the shower as well. So over here, this is the shower. Just step back. This is the shower here, and you can see there it's kind of got a funny dip into it, and then yeah, you can see, there we go. And then if we come back out, this here is the toilet, and apparently the toilet is heated, but I have not tested that out yet. And then if we come back round here, this is the terrace. So not only do I have my own private jacuzzi, although it's currently raining as it is December, my own private jacuzzi, which apparently is it can be heated to 100 degrees. There's also a fire pit over there. And then over there you've got like all the huge mansions that you can, you know, have a nosy at, which I love. But yeah, it's just, I love it. The design of it is so cute. I'm obsessed with like the furniture and just, it's just really like cozy. So yeah, anyway, I'm now going to finally freshen up and kind of, oh, I'm exhausted. I don't know if you can hear, my asthma is really bad at the moment, so I'm very breathless. Yeah, my asthma has not been great the past week or so, and I've had this croaky throat as well. It's not COVID, but I don't think it's helped. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna freshen up, I'm gonna have a shower and just make myself more presentable, and then go and explore the hotel a little bit. And then I really want to go to Getty Museum because I haven't been before, and it's just kind of around the corner from here. And I also need to go shopping and get a sweatshirt because it's bloody freezing here. I was in Australia obviously before here, where it was like, you know, 30 degrees, and here it's 13, and I'm not prepared for it at all. I've got my denim jacket, and then I've got a very thin black jumper, but that is it. So I need to go to the shops and find a sweatshirt that's like nice and cozy. Although, saying that, this room is really warm, the heating is on, but obviously outside it's like icy cold. So yeah, anyway, that's it. I hope this has been helpful. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm just here for one night, and then tomorrow I go to the sister hotel, which is the Beverly Hills Hotel. So they're both part of the Dorchester collection. So yeah, so I'm intrigued to see how the Beverly Hills Hotel compares to the Bel-Air. And yeah, so keep an eye out for my room tour from the Beverly Hills Hotel. Subscribe so that you get notified immediately when it goes live. And yeah, give a little like if you enjoyed this video. But yeah, I post lots of hotel room tours, luxury hotel room tours, so if that's your thing, definitely do a little subscribe and stick around. But yeah, I'll see you very soon. Bye.